Today, I'll show you how to write cold emails that can help you land new clients. We'll cover the 5 most important things to make your email stand out. Let's get started. First up, the subject line. This is the title of your email, and it's super important because it's what makes someone decide to open your email or not. Make it interesting and relevant to them. For example, instead of services, try how I can help your business grow. Or, quick tip to boost your sales. See how those sound more exciting? Next, personalization. This means making the email feel like it's just for them. You can do this by mentioning something specific about them or their business. For instance, if you saw they recently launched a new product, you could say, "I saw your new product launch. Congratulations! I have some ideas to help promote it." It shows you did your homework and care about their success. Then the value proposition. This is where you explain how you can help them. Focus on their needs, not just what you do. For example, instead of saying, "I am a web designer," say, "I can make your website faster and more attractive," which can help you get more customers. See the difference? It's about them, not you. After that, the call to action. This is where you tell them what you want them to do next. Keep it simple and clear. You could say, "If you're interested, just reply to this email and we can set up a quick call." Or, "Would you be available for a 15-minute chat next week to discuss this?" Make it easy for them to say yes. Finally, keep your email short and clear. Don't write a long essay. People are busy, and they appreciate when you get to the point. Aim for just a few sentences. Think of it like a quick note to a friend. Use simple words and make sure there are no spelling mistakes.